In this video, we're going to show you how to change the filters in your Winix C545 air purifier. We'll be using the HEPA filter replacements from Polano, which is directly compatible with the Winix C545 model. First, power off the device. Then remove the outer cover. Next, unhook the mesh filter. Then remove the carbon filter. Lastly, remove the HEPA filter. Let's take a look at the Polano brand filter. You'll find the links to the Polano filters in the description below. Here on the side you'll see the airflow direction arrow and the pull tab up top. When installing this new HEPA filter, ensure the arrow is pointing towards the air purifier and the tab on the top of the filter is facing out. Next, install the new carbon filter. Lastly, before replacing the outer mesh filter, clean off the dust that's accumulated. You can run this through the sink, but we find it easier to just give it a quick vacuum. Now replace the outer cover. Then turn the device back on. You'll notice the indicator light is still blinking. To reset the light, take a paperclip or similar object. Insert and push down into the hole next to the blinking light. Here's a better angle. Just insert the paperclip here. Hold for a couple seconds and the indicator light will be reset. You're all set. There you go, hope that was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.